project of this scale, from such a huge surface area, it constitutes one of the world's largest vertical gardens. One of the key aspects was picking a high-performance system. In our case, we count on FYTOTEXTILE, which is a technology developed and patented at the University of Seville, which we currently manufacture and sell internationally. And thanks to its high performance, it has allowed us to rely on a dependable system that gives us excellent plant behavior. And it provides us with the reliability and confidence to be able to bet securely when developing this action. The design of the project was a great challenge. What we wanted first and foremost was for the design to make sense on a person's visual scale and in general. The main design lines are inspired by the escape they generate. These car traffic lights and organic elements were also introduced, which were wind swirls, to give interest and some organic movement to these lines that connected the whole design. For the execution of one of the world's largest vertical gardens, we have faced three major challenges. On the one hand, we had to install a vertical garden of more than 3,200 square meters in the heart of Madrid's M30, with only a team of 9 people. On the other hand, we managed to supply over 10,000 plants of 23 different varieties in less than 12 weeks. And at this point, we had to adjust our planning to the pace of the rest of the guilds, managing to complete the installation of the vertical garden in a record time of 3 months.